Hello, I hope everyone's having a great day. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to fold an origami hummingbird. All you need is a square piece of paper and we'll get right started. So in order to do, our first step is we're going to fold our paper in half horizontally like a hamburger and then vertically like a hot dog. I'm going to do that for both sides, so there is a plus in the middle of your square piece of paper, and then we're going to fold diagonally both sides, nice crease, and then we'll have 4 lines cutting across the middle, dividing our square into 8 equal pieces, and then we'll orient our paper so there is a corner facing us, our body, and we're going to take the left side of the paper and we're going to fold it down and then back up along the crease and fold down. So we should have this shape now, and then we're just going to tuck this corner, this inward along the creases, so we have this base. So again, to put it simply, we're just gonna, when you open it, we're just gonna close our 2 sides and fold them, so we have a square base with 2 folds in the middle. And after that, we want the opening, this open part to be facing us below, so face your body. And we're going to take these left and right flaps and fold them towards the center middle line that's in the center of our smaller square. And we're just gonna do that real quick and fold along the line. Both sides. And we're gonna flip our paper over and do it on the exact same other side. We're gonna take our 2 flaps and fold them towards that middle line really well. And do that on the other side. And then your paper should look like this on both sides. And on one of the sides, we are going to take these flaps that we just created and we're going to tuck them in. So we're going to lift this main part up. We're going to open it like so, and we're just going to tuck the paper in. Tuck the paper in. And so it should look like this. So now we have a flap like this. And we're going to open our flap again. Alright, next the other side. And we're just going to tuck our paper in. Like so. We tuck. And our paper should look like this now. And afterwards, we are going to open these flaps up all the way so we can reverse fold up. So we're gonna open this one and we're gonna keep opening it and then flatten out these sides. Flatten out the sides like so along the crease. So it looks like this. I'm gonna open, and our paper should look like this on. So we should have this nice rhombus, and then this flap open. So again, to do that, we really have our paper like this, being folded. We open it, and then we fold up, and the sides in, and we have this shape. Now next, what we want to do is we want to flip to this side, and we're going to fold in half so that this little opening, these two flaps are separated, and we fold along that line. And so our shape should look like this now. And then we want to, so there's this bottom with all these folds down, and we want to take the top and we want to reverse fold downward. So we want to take this, the top, which with this, all these flaps are at the bottom, we want to take the top corner and we want to like just press, open it up a bit, open it up, and push down. And then fold. And then fold. So again, so we have this. So we have this fold. We're going to open it a bit. We're going to open and then push down. Push down. Push down. And then pinch. And then pinch. And so then we're starting to have our hummingbird shape. And then in order for us to make our hummingbird a bit more beak a little bit more needle-like, we're going to fold down, and then we're going to fold these two sides inward like we did in the beginning. So we're going to take this corner and we're going to fold this edge towards that middle line in the middle for both sides. So our bird looks like this now, and this is after we folded our side down. So, and then afterward we're going to take this flap. There's these little flaps right here, these little flaps right here, and then right here. So these little flaps, we're just gonna squeeze it. We're gonna take one of them and we're gonna squeeze them flat like so. So again, we're just going to take this and we're going to squeeze it. We're going to open it a bit. And squeeze it. And squeeze it flat. So our bird should look like this now. And then you just merely fold back up. And the beak is a bit more needle-like, like a real hummingbird. And then all you have to do at the end is just fold this flap at the bottom up to create that wind effect. To create a wind effect like this, and then on the other side, and match it on the other side. And then you have yourself a hummingbird. Thanks for watching.